Hello and welcome to everyone. In the previous video we have discussed displacement thickness delta star and numerical on the same. In this video we will discuss momentum thickness, which is denoted by theta. This concept is similar to the displacement thickness in that theta is related to the loss of momentum due to viscous effect in the boundary. When there is a loss of momentum takes place during the flow of a fluid, to compensate this loss of momentum, we are incorporating the term called as the momentum thickness, which is denoted by theta. The formula to calculate this momentum thickness theta is equal to integration of 0 to delta u upon u infinity into 1 minus u upon u infinity into dy. This u is called as the local velocity and u infinity is the free stream velocity. This delta is the boundary layer thickness. So, to compensate this loss of momentum, we have incorporated the momentum thickness. The momentum thickness theta equates the momentum decrease per unit time due to the existence of the body wall of momentum per unit time, which pass at velocity u through a height of thickness theta. The momentum decrease is equivalent to the force acting on the body according to law of conservation of momentum. Therefore, the drag on a body generated by the viscosity can be obtained by using the momentum thickness. In this slide, there is some formulas to calculate the drag forces and the wall shear stresses when flow takes place, and that flow should be a laminar one. For that, there are some formulas. This first one is delta by x, which is equal to 5 divided by under root of Rex or Rex raised to 1 by 2. This Rex is the local Reynolds number and this x is the distance from the leading edge. This equation is called as the Blasius equation to calculate the delta, that is the boundary layer thickness. Next formula is Cf. Cf is the screen friction coefficient, which is equal to 0.664 upon Rex raised to 1 by 2, and this is the local Reynolds number. When we put a average Reynolds number, this is equal to the average Reynolds number, and the formula is converted to 1.328 upon Rel raised to 1 by 2. Average, what is the difference between the local and the average Reynolds number is that this Reynolds number is calculated at certain distance x, but this average Reynolds number is calculated at a total distance of a plate, that is total length of the plate, that is L. That means the formula for this Re is rho v x by mu, and this formula for Rel is rho v L by mu, v or u, it may be considered that u is nothing but the free stream velocity. The formula to calculate the wall shear stresses, which is equal to 0.332 into rho into u square. This u is what? This u is what? The free stream velocity upon Rel raised to 1 by 2. Thus, the drag on one side in the airflow is, to calculate the drag force, this formula is used. D is equal to CD. CD is the coefficient of drag into 1 by 2 into rho, that is the density, into u square, that is free stream velocity u, into B into L. B is the width of the plate and L is the length of the plate. That means this is the area of the plate on which the flow takes place. Thank you.